Did a 30-kilometer uphill. From Yerevan it's 40 kilometers, really gentle downhill. We're going to Chankiri. There we hope to find a hotel and just relax for a day. Check out the area maybe a bit.
We're avoiding the highway, so we're going inland, and it's amazing. It's kind of a deserty, Mongolian grassland kind of landscape. It's very hilly and it's also pretty cold. But yeah, look. The colors are beautiful from the rocks with this kind of red glow on it and blue. And it feels like we're kind of out there, but we're still in the middle of farm fields and stuff. Wow. Merhaba.
We're now here in a hotel in Turkey. We have stayed here for a couple of days. Maudi had a problem with her feet, so we stayed some extra just to get that sorted out. This is the lovely lady who prepared our breakfast, and she runs the hotel also. We had a great time here, so that's wonderful. Thank you so much.
Teşekkür ederim.
It's 3 degrees and it's pretty chilly. We're not used to it yet. The fall has gone really fast here in Turkey. Feels like winter is just around the corner. We did only 35 kilometers today, but the thunder is rolling in. Feels like it's gonna rain. We found a spot, we're gonna put up the tent and call it a day today.
The weather is pretty scary actually. There's thunder all around us and we're in the middle of the field.
With all these clouds rolling in.
And they're really
very
low.
dark.
The clouds are really low.
Really low, yeah. And there was thunder just all around.
Yeah.
Like almost 360 degrees. Yeah, pretty scary stuff.
Eric is putting an extra line on the tent for the wind. Feeling pretty alive right now. Still. No, I don't want to joke about that.
So,
Yeah, you're in the shower.
nice, eh? I got my shampoo, you know. So. I've been sick now for 3 days. We're still continuing on the bike. Some phlegm, my nose is running and I can feel my ears. But the landscape is amazing. So have a look at this behind us here. Just fantastic to ride through, makes it all worth it.
As you can see, it's really cold. It was around 3 or 4 degrees this morning. Ice on the tent, and the mornings are really hard for me, especially. At the moment I'm also missing home quite a bit, so kind of struggling, but that's a part of the, yeah, you just have to get through this. And I'm really missing my coffee.
Espresso, what else? Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Ow! Yeah. The valleys of Turkey keep on giving. Another beautiful valley. The colors are changing into autumn. These yellows and browns. It's absolutely beautiful. Can't wait for the rest of the fall to come. For winter to begin.